Hey guys, my name is Ani, I'm a tech consultant, and in this video I will show you how sizing in Google's Nano Banana works. Practically, I have a prompt here and I want to create a thumbnail for this video that I'm doing right now. And I want to use one of my pictures for the thumbnail. However, the picture that I want to use doesn't have the correct sizing. So if I go to my computer and I choose the picture, you can see that my current picture is square, but I want Nano Banana to create 16:9 ratio picture in order for me to use it as YouTube thumbnail. If I click on run, it will take a couple of seconds and then let's see the result. What I'm expecting is that the result picture has the same sizing that the input picture had. Result picture is square, and this means that we cannot use this as YouTube thumbnail. And how to fix this issue? So I actually tried to use different prompts, and I tried to use a black picture, for example, upload a black picture here and then ask to change the sizing of the first picture to the sizing of the second black picture that had the correct ratio. But what was happening that the ratio was updated, but also some parts of the black picture was shown in the first picture. So the best way of managing this is just going to ChatGPT, sending your initial picture here. You can see the picture that is square, and then asking ChatGPT, can you resize this picture to 69? And then when we have the correct picture, we will just download that one, and then we come back to Nano Banana. We use exactly the same prompt here, and then we will upload the picture with the sizing that we want, the size that ChatGPT created for us, this one. And then we will run it. And let's see, this is moment of truth. Again, just how Nano Banana works, it always outputs a picture with the sizing of input pictures. Here I have the picture with the right size. How you will do, you will always use ChatGPT or another LLM to do the resizing for the input picture, and then you will use the correct size on your input picture. And Nano Banana will do what Nano Banana does best. It will create the visualization, and also it will manage to insert text without. Have a good day. Bye.